So down at Squires Cafe for the Classic Ford show, and yeah, it's not really my scene, is it, Fords? But I like the older stuff, your Sapphires and Cosworths, Escorts. So let's go around. I'm going to try speak to some owners, don't quote me on that, but I'm going to try speak to some of them if they want to, and get a few more details about their cars and what they've done to them. So let's get going. So that's been today's pre-2000s Ford Meet at Squires. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've seen your car or a friend's car, remember to tag them, comment in the comments that you've seen it. And yeah, that's it. Happy Father's Day, because obviously this is recorded on Father's Day. Don't know if I'll be able to get it out then. Hopefully latest Monday. So yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you're doing today. Make it different. See you later.